Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Solana. An update. Just wanted to do a quick update. I mean, to be honest, the technical situation is practically the same. Like if we zoom into the 1 hour time frame, yesterday when I made the video, the price was right here, I believe. Like it was trying to break above this level right here at 42.5, 42.6. Eventually hasn't been able to do that, but Solana is still quite bullish, right? Especially if you zoom out to the 4 hour time frame. Yesterday we got quite a lot of bullish momentum from Bitcoin, which we still have to see whether that's going to continue today. But initially that bullish momentum is also great for Solana. So yeah, we'll do a full update. I'll tell you what to expect. We'll talk a little bit about the market structure, just in general. So that you have a feel of what potentially could happen for Solana, what the different scenarios are, and what looks to be most likely. So that's what we'll do. Let's get right into it. So I wanted to take a look, we've been covering Solana daily for a while now. I wanted to take a look at some other things. So first of all, what you can see, it's obviously weekend, so the volume has dropped down a bit, but the open interest has also fallen down quite a bit. Not that much, but I think it's about 5% or something, which means that Solana has less momentum. And at this moment, assuming that Bitcoin will remain relatively stable, the two scenarios that we kind of talked about is either a consolidation for Solana within this range right here between $35 and like $45, something like that, or a continuation up to $50. And yesterday, I think I said that the most likely scenario in my eyes still was a continuation, because it Solana looked still very bullish. It held the 28 EMA right there, which has been holding since this rally started, the 16th of October. So in terms of the technical market structure, there's absolutely nothing wrong with Solana. The thing though is that like I said a couple of videos ago as well, we did get some bearish confirmations. And the open interest is dropping down. So that could mean that Solana potentially rallies or potentially stops its rally temporarily. So that's always difficult to kind of distinguish between a consolidation or a continuation, because I mean it's hard to say. But if we look at if we take a look at this, for example, like these are the liquidity levels, and you'll see that there's a huge amount of liquidity up there. Like there's a lot of liquidity here around $43. There's a little bit around 40, but in general that does mean that I do potentially. I think the way we should take a look at Solana like this is, or the way we should look at Solana is like this, that it's stuck between a range between 42.6, 42.5, and then $40. So a potential scenario is that it grabs that liquidity up here and then goes for the liquidity up top right here and spikes up to $45. And then after it hits resistance at $45, if it's able to hold 42.5 as support, that's a bullish confirmation. And then that level between technically 47.5 and $50 is most likely. And I think something like this is actually most likely. Like the most important part is that it breaks above 42.5 and that it then holds it as support. That's the most important part. Whether it grabs the liquidity at $40 first or not, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I do still think this is the most likely scenario, because like I said, the technical market structure is still very bullish. And personally, I also still think that Bitcoin will get some more upside potential up to 36,000 and 37,000, which will 100% help Solana as well. So it's mainly based on that. I mean, to be fair, I mean, if all of the sudden Solana drops down to $40 and it just is not able to break above 42.5, then the situation changes. But for now, I think that's I think a conclusion like that is way too early. Like 42.5 has only been tested twice. We've not seen any bearish confirmation since yesterday morning. So right now, still very bullish, and I see no reason why at this moment I see no reason why Solana would not continue up to the next price target. But I'll keep you updated on that. All right, situations can change. The beginning of a new week is coming up rapidly, so that could influence the markets and what's going on. So I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, these are my thoughts on Solana. So lastly, I also want to tell you, most of you know, but I have my own Signals group and premium group. Links will be down in the description for that. If you want to make some money, all of the results are transparent. You can see that we're profitable. Consider joining one of those. all of the information is in that link as well. So if you want to become a better trader, I think those are your best options. But yeah, like I said. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.